Hey there LEGO robot fans! Have you ever wanted to take your LEGO Spike projects to the next level by converting your block-based code into real Python scripts? I'm Attila and today we will dive into BlocklyPy, my pilot tool that makes it easier to transition from Blockly to Python. Let's get started. Here's a simple Blockly program that moves our robot forward and then turns right. It also shows a small smiley face and then at the end it beeps 1. Now with BlocklyPy, we can easily convert this into Python code. Let me show you how. First let's take our LEGO Spike code, then open BlocklyPy and simply load our Blockly code here. Just a few clicks and boom, your Blockly code is automatically transformed into clean Python code. How cool is that? As a next step, let's simply copy our code and move it to the PyBricks interface. We can copy paste it easily and then start our robot. Let's see how it's performing. Nice, isn't it? For now, you can convert your Spike projects. You can also use the old Mindstorms app, and even I have an experimental version of EV3 conversion for both EV3 Classroom and EV3G. What do you think? So why is it important? By converting to Python, you unlock advanced possibilities like more complex programming, diving deeper into robotics, because Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It's a skill you will use far beyond Lego. Happy coding and may your robots always follow the right path. Ready to give BlocklyPy a try? Check out the links for more information and start transforming your LEGO Spike experience today. Thanks for watching.